I'm gonna try to learn how to drift in Assetto as well as real life. So this is just a modified S13 Sylvia. It's my guy's broken head. Anyway, pedals. You can see the pedals. All right. I don't have a handbrake too, so we're gonna see how this goes. The road is wet too, just because I thought that would make it a little bit easier. I feel like this car's got a lot of angle, or like more angle than my car does. I know angle's just a handicap too. Well, not really. Maybe on a street car in a non-competition form, I think it's a little bit of a handicap. Like, it absolutely helps save you. I have the confidence to do this in real life. Jesus. Thought I would have hit a wall by now. Ah, okay, as I say that. Oh my god. Yeah, there's no way that my car has that much angle. Absolutely no way. No! Okay, well, there it is. There's my first hit. Damn it. I should do this with Paynos. I should really work on my left foot braking, like Nico said. Shit. I'm sure that would help. Or spin me out. Should really try the dry track, I suppose. No, no, no. Ah! Yeah, let me try this in the dry. There I am again with my broken ass head. Yeah, I'm no longer breaking loose. Oh wow, this is totally different now. It's working. I'm kind of doing it. I'm doing it. Okay. I just wish this translated to real life much better. I wish my confidence was better. I need like a parking lot map or something. Or like I need to go 3D scan the parking lot that we actually go drift in, because that would be pretty fun to have that in a video game. Maybe I can convince Nico to buy a setup like this and ooh, do it with me. Whoa, okay. Okay, I am actually honestly surprising myself. I never would have been able to do this before. Holy shit. Yay, okay. Getting a little too overconfident here. It's gonna cause me to fucking crash or some shit. Oh! Oh, fuck, no. What happened? Wow, yeah, this thing struggles now. Can't really do it here. Maybe. Alright, do it again. In more. Try clutch kicking. I don't think I gave it enough RPM. This thing doesn't rev fast enough. Alright, just need to clutch kick longer. Clutch kick again. Kinda. A little too much. Do it again here. Steady on the gas. Just transition. Why did I spin? I don't know what happened there. I think this is actually more fun in the dry. Interestingly enough. Working a lot harder on it, and it's going by much faster. Ooh. Ah, too much. Honestly, I think the biggest help from when I started, when I couldn't drift at all, was just really focusing on where the fuck the steering wheel is pointing, because you, especially in VR, where all I have is this visual representation of my hands in a video game. The steering wheel is pretty like accurate to where it is, but you kind of lose its location. You forget where you're facing sometimes. So you got to be really hyper aware of it, but I don't think I think it's kind of, I'm getting used to it now, and it's kind of just all feel instead of visual. Definitely an improvement. Fuck. Let's go. Yeah, too much wheel speed. There we go. Fuck. Okay, that was bad. That could have been terrible. Something's going wrong. Something has changed. Let's make this first corner here. If I can do that, I'll be happy. Okay, now I kind of want to just do another lap. Hey, check it out. S13, S13.
Whoa!
Hey there. Hello. Kiss. Excuse me. Oh, did I like break your arm? Sorry. I forgot.
You broke me balls.
My bad.
Oh, there's no sound on the outside of these cars, I don't think.
Is there not?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, shit. Okay, well, guess I'm gonna have to find some other cars another time.
Can you hear me revving? That's all?
No.
Like when
Nope, it is just absolutely silent. That's kind of funny. I see the flames coming out your exhaust, but
Kermit. Yo, still
yeah, he's still there. After all these years, I spun. Ah, clutch kick. You go ahead, yeah. Ooh, okay, the smoke actually looks good. What the fuck?
Whoa. This track's pretty cool, actually.
Yeah. It's actually it's a lot of fun. Jesus. I definitely need to work on tandeming skill and keeping up with people.
Mine's fucking
Holy
shit.
shit!
I'm not great at like leading either, because I drive kind of weird, I think, at the moment.
No, you're good. I just need to learn how to fucking... This is actually good practice. I just need to learn how to, like, match you and stay with you. It's added challenge, I suppose. Are you just in second? Whoa! Overcooked it. Are you just in second the whole time?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing, too. Holy shit, the smoke looks great. Oh my god. If only I could hear your fucking car. Even just tire squealing would be good right now. Just be the loudest fucking tire squeals of all time. There's so much smoke.
Like an electric car sliding past, yeah.
Yeah, right? Like the fucking Mach-E when they were doing like Gymkhana shit with it. Whoop. I couldn't tell what I was doing either. I just kept hitting the wall. Okay, that was nice, but oh, okay, I couldn't see there. But I just
the smoke's blinding at some point.
It is, yeah.
Oh,
whoa.
Ooh. Okay, that corner. I don't know why I'm spinning there every single time.
I didn't like when I was doing it solo. I don't think I made that much smoke. I don't recall making that much smoke.
I was left at braking as well.
Oh, okay.
I don't know that. So it was like a lot of wheel speed and a lot of heat and shit. It was practically like just doing a big burnout, really, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh, Mr. Frog.
Oh, Mr. Frog. This is my show. I love you. Oh, there he is. He's on the wall.
Frog.
He's flipping me off. What an asshole. Shit. Ugh. Ooh, nice. Yeah. Left foot brake harder, why don't you?
Why?
Why? Yeah, why every time? I kind of want to try the E30 M3 because I know that's challenging as fuck.
The base one that comes with the game.
Whoop.
That
Yeah,
one.
that one. Hello. Excuse me. Sorry. Apologies. Third gear. Oh, no, it just didn't like that, yeah.
But had a big crash.
No, back up. Back up. You got to take this corner correctly.
Yeah.
So that means linking these two. I'm going to watch. It's so weird without sound. Oh. I almost overcooked it myself. Oh, shit.
Alright, so no, I was just flicking it in way too hard there because the natural camber and shit, it just does it all itself. So you can just kind of... So I was trying to compensate when you didn't need to.
Yeah, I spun on that corner instead that time because I was just watching you the entire time. Fucking hell. Eat my rubber particles. My suspended rubber. And surprisingly, I don't need to like push in the clutch a lot. I like through some corners. Well, I guess since I'm not using a handbrake, it's probably better that I don't. Fuck.
Oops.
Oh.
Oops. Oh, fuck.
Oops.
Oh, fuck.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
that was not a good line at all. But hey.
Wall tap.
Okay.
What's going on?
I don't know. Hang on. Yeah.
Well.
Oh, bugger. Shit.
Sorry.
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 Oh god, the smoke is bad.
Yeah, right? Especially when the wheel speed's really high. What the I don't know what
That's
happened.
what I was doing as well.
It just got really loose there. Tires. Semi-slick. Oh, fuck. Yeah, wow. Okay, this is totally different. And now there's no smoke at all.
I think the smoke's a bit interesting because it needs like tire heat before it starts.
Oh.
So once the tires get a bit hot, then it starts smoking real fast.
I think I turned off tire blankets, so it might take a second. Yeah, this
speed, like mid-speed corner, is definitely way up. Like,
oh yeah.
Front end grip's lovely now though, actually. So maybe higher tire pressures on the back. Like, if you thought it was too gripped up.
Let's just wait until they're hot, maybe. Yeah, I can see smoke coming from you now. It's definitely a lot grippier now. Whoa. Hey. A little more temperamental too.
Bit snappy, yeah.
Yeah, now that they're warm, they're definitely acting quite a lot different. They're looser than they were when they were cold. Do you want me to lead or? Oh, okay. Hot damn, you just fucking left me in that corner. Oh my god. Whoa! Sorry. I'm watching you. I should not be watching you. I'm just gonna watch the fucking track. Oh, never mind. Woo. Oh, where is the track? Oh my god. Can't fucking see sometimes. Holy shit. I need to be smoother. I feel like I'm really fighting the steering wheel a lot. Whoa, too much.
Whoa, big crash. Okay, I've just taken up the whole rear section of my car. Probably just broken in half there.
Hello. Goodbye. I love you, Mr. Frog.
Oh, Mr. Frog.
This is my show. I eat a bug. This is the end. I love you. Wait. Wow, Manji that one. Hey, nice. First successful Manji ever. I think. Probably. Followed up by... Whoa, sorry! Followed up by immediately fucking up. Oh my god, twice. What the fuck am I doing?
Yeah, that corner fucking tripped me up every time. I keep thinking
What? I like how I can just like leave it in second and forget it. This thing has so much torque everywhere. Come on. Yeah, another successful Manji. Kinda. Lost a lot of speed there. Fuck. Really too far that time. Damn it.
I think that day was probably the biggest help for me understanding left foot braking, like actually feeling the difference with your butt.
Yeah, I have not been doing it at all here, but
it's not really a recommended thing, really, left foot braking. I mean, it tends to get like a bit. If you overuse it, it's not. I know that gets looked down upon. I mean.
Well, yeah, I suppose, but with like my videos and shit, where I'm doing it with my buddy, it's kind of necessary to avoid curves and whatnot. So I have to learn it, and I think it's probably just gonna be a good skill anyway to learn, just in case some shit gets out of hand, or I need to adjust.
Yeah, definitely. It's definitely something you want to be able to do, or feel comfortable with at the very least.
Yeah, I'm trying to implement it now. It's kind of going okay, because I don't think I need the clutch here. Oh, whoa, really close to the wall there. Don't need a clutch kick here. I should be able to power through. Come on. There we go. Yeah, this thing makes so much torque down the holy shit. Not enough. Fuck, no. Hello? Oh, dinner's here. Okay, well. All right. I guess that's it for now, Face.
Yeah, sorry, that's one.